I will show you how to delete your Roblox account easy and quick. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Roblox first like this. And right now, after opening your Roblox, you should go and click here. So, click on Settings and go right now, click on the third option, Privacy and Content Restriction. After that, it will going to take you to this page. Go to the last button, Account Deactivation and Deletion, and click. Right now, go to Initiate Account Deletion and click here. And right now, click Initiate and finish the other steps. And that's all, guys. If you have any question, just type it down in comments. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe.